Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transform salmon skin into durable leather. First, carefully remove the skin from your salmon, being sure not to tear it. Next, lay the skin flat and use a blunt object, like a spoon or dull knife, to meticulously scrape away all remaining flesh and fat. This step is crucial for preventing spoilage. Afterward, wash the skin thoroughly in cool, soapy water, rinsing several times until it is completely clean and free of any oils. Now for the tanning itself. Create a simple solution by mixing equal parts vegetable glycerin and 99% rubbing alcohol. Submerge your thoroughly cleaned salmon skin in this mixture, ensuring it is fully covered. Let it soak for at least 24 hours, or up to 48 hours for thicker skins, stirring gently a few times. This process replaces the natural fish oils, preventing decay and preparing the skin for its transformation into leather. After tanning, remove the skin and rinse it lightly. The next vital step is softening. As the skin begins to dry, continuously stretch and pull it in every direction. You can also rub it over a hard, rounded edge like a table corner to help break down the fibers. Keep working the skin consistently until it is completely dry, soft, and supple to the touch. This physical manipulation ensures your leather remains flexible. Salmon leather boasts impressive qualities. It is surprisingly strong, with a tensile strength that can reach up to 90 newtons, significantly more than cow leather's 8 to 25 newtons. Its unique cross-fiber structure contributes to this durability. This beautiful, sustainable material, a byproduct of the seafood industry, is perfect for crafting distinctive items like wallets, shoes, and other fashionable accessories, offering a unique texture and pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.